It's late. Your apartment is quiet, except for the hum of your laptop. City lights flicker outside. You're scrolling through X again. A notification pops up. You ignore it. Your mind's somewhere else. It's on her. That moment earlier today, the way she looked at you, her smile, the way she leaned in, just a little. Was it something or nothing? Your thoughts are loud. They're heavy. They're pulling you in circles. Did I misread it? Was I too forward? Why can't I let this go? You're tired of overthinking, tired of reacting, tired of the noise in your head. What if you could just stop? Not fix it, not solve it, just observe. See her signals for what they are. No stories, no assumptions, just clarity. Today, we're walking through 21 subtle signs. Signs a woman might show when she's drawn to you. Not to win her over, not to change you, just to help you see clearly. And breathe. If you've ever felt your mind spinning like this, leave a small sign below. Not for me, not for fame, just so this video finds someone else. Someone who needs a moment to pause, like you. The world is full of signals, silent ones. Her glance, her posture, the way she moves. These aren't just gestures. They're the truth beneath the words. The language we all speak, but rarely notice. Stoicism teaches us to see things as they are, not as we hope, not as we fear. Marcus Aurelius said, "Look at things as they are." That's what we're doing today. We're looking at 21 body language cues. Each one is a small window, a glimpse into what you might feel. But this isn't about control. It's not about manipulation. It's about clarity, about being present, about noticing, without jumping to conclusions. Each sign we'll cover. It's not a rule. It's not a promise. It's just a moment. Observe it. Let it be. No rush. No pressure. Ready? Let's begin. Fact 1. She lifts her shoulders slightly. It's soft, almost like a hug she doesn't give. You're at a coffee shop. She's across the table. She's telling a story, her shoulders rising as she laughs. It's not planned. It's just her. This gesture. It's primal. Her body feels at ease. It's saying, "I'm comfortable here, with you." Your mind might want to jump. Does she like me? Is this a sign? Stop. Don't write a novel in your head. Marcus Aurelius said, "Don't invent stories." See the gesture. Let it be what it is. Have you noticed this before? Don't answer now. Just let the question sit. Fact 2. She tosses her head back. Her hair falls away from her face. It's subtle, but it's there. You're at a bar. She's leaning against the counter. She laughs, and her head tilts back, exposing her neck. This isn't just a random move. Her neck, her armpits, they're vulnerable spots. Places that release pheromones, chemical signals. Her body's way of saying, "I'm open." But don't rush to assume. Stoicism is about seeing clearly, not adding layers of meaning. Epictetus said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." You can't control her actions, but you can control your reaction. Notice hair gesture. Breathe. Let it pass. Have you ever missed a cue like this? Just wonder. No need to answer. Take a moment. Close your eyes if you can. Breathe. What's in your mind right now? Don't fix it. Just see it. Okay, let's keep going. Fact 3. Her hips sway more than usual. It's not loud. It's not obvious. But it's there. You're at a co-working space. She walks past your desk, heading to the break room. Her hips move just a little more. It's like a quiet dance. A signal rooted in evolution. Her body saying, "Look at me." But don't let your mind race. Don't build a story. Stoicism teaches us to observe without judgment. See the movement. Let it be. No need to act. No need to assume. What's it like to just notice? To not react? Think about it. Quietly. Fact 4. She touches up her makeup. You're on a date. She excuses herself to the bathroom. When she returns, Her lipstick is fresh. Her face is brighter. It's not vanity. It's effort. She wants to look her best. For you, this small act, it's her saying, I care how you see me. But don't let it pull you into overthinking. Don't be swayed by externals, said Marcus Aurelius. Her gesture is hers. Your job is to notice, not to build expectations. Have you seen this before? Just let the memory float. No need to chase it. Fact 5. She looks at your lips. Not a quick glance. A lingering one. You're at a networking event. She's talking, but her eyes drop to your mouth. Her own lips move slightly. Maybe she licks them. Maybe she bites them. It's instinctive. Her body speaking, saying, I'm drawn to you. But don't let it stir your mind. Don't let it spark a fantasy. Stoicism is about staying grounded. See her gaze. Let it be. You don't need to act. You don't need to know. What's it like to just observe? To let the moment pass? Hold that thought. Fact 6. She strokes her purse. It's subtle. Her fingers glide over the leather. You're at a cafe. She's sitting across from you, her purse on the table. She touches it softly. Maybe she asks you to pass it. This isn't random. Her purse is an extension of her space. By touching it, she's inviting you in, showing trust. But don't leap to conclusions. Epictetus said, don't be disturbed by things outside your control. Her gesture is hers. Your job is to notice, not to react. Have you ever seen this? Just let the question linger. Fact 7. She raises her eyebrows. Her eyelids lower slightly. It's a fleeting look, but it's powerful. You're at a friend's party. She's across the room, talking to someone. Then her eyes meet yours. Her brows lift, her lids droop. It's like a secret shared. A moment of vulnerability. Her body saying, I see you. But don't let it pull you into a story. Stoicism is about clarity. See the look. Let it pass. No need to chase it. What's it like to just see? To not assume? Breathe. Let it sink in. Take a moment. Feel the air around you. What's in your head? Don't fight it. Just notice. Okay, let's move on. Fact 8. She walks with a limp wrist. It's soft, almost delicate. You're at a bookstore. She's browsing, her wrist loose as she picks up a novel. This gesture, it's about submission, not weakness, but openness. Her body saying, I'm comfortable letting you lead. Don't let it stir your ego. Don't let it spark a reaction. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind. See her wrist. Let it be. No need to act. Have you noticed this before? Just let the thought sit. Fact 9. She caresses her knees. It's quiet. Her fingers trace her skin. You're at a dinner. She's sitting next to you, her hands resting on her lap. She touches her knees gently. It's not conscious, but it's there. Her body saying, I want to be closer. Maybe she's imagining touching you, but don't let your mind run. Stoicism is about staying still. Notice her touch. Let it pass. No need to assume. What's it like to just observe? To not react? Hold that thought. Fact 10. She exposes her wrists. The soft underside. It's delicate. You're at a meeting. She's presenting, her sleeves rolled up. Her wrists turn upward as she gestures. This isn't planned. It's vulnerability. Her body saying, I'm open to you, but don't let it pull you into a story. Epictetus said, focus on what's in your control. Her gesture is hers. Your job is to notice, not to build a narrative. Have you seen this before? Just let the memory float. Fact 11. She crosses her legs. It's slow, deliberate. You're at a rooftop bar. She's sitting across from you, her legs crossing tightly. It draws your eye. Her body saying, look at me. But it's also restrained, a balance of openness and control. Don't let it stir your thoughts. Stoicism is about clarity. See her posture. Let it be. No need to act. What's it like to just SEE? To not assume? Breathe. Fact 12. She strokes her thigh or her neck. It's soft, sensual. You're on a Zoom call. She's talking, her fingers grazing her neck. This isn't random. Her body's sensitive, more than yours. Her touch is an invitation, saying, I'm comfortable with you, but don't let it spark a reaction. Marcus Aurelius said, don't be swayed by externals. Notice her touch. Let it pass. No need to assume. Have you noticed this before? Just let the question linger. Fact 13. She strokes a phallic object. A wine glass. A pen. It's subtle. You're at a restaurant. She's holding her glass, her fingers gliding along the stem. This isn't conscious. It's her mind speaking through her hands, saying, I'm thinking of you, but don't let it pull you into a story. Stoicism is about staying grounded. Zeher, gesture. Let it be. No need to act. What's it like to just observe? To not react? Hold that thought. Take a moment. Feel your breath. What's in your mind? Don't chase it. Just see it. Okay, let's keep going. Fact 14. She twirls her hair. It's gentle. Her fingers curl a strand. You're at a park. She's sitting on a bench, talking. Her hand moves to her hair, twirling softly. This is flirtation, but only if it's open, graceful. If she hides it, it's boredom. Notice the difference. Stoicism is about seeing clearly. Don't assume, just observe. Have you seen this before? Don't answer. Just let the memory sit. Fact 15. She tucks one leg under the other. It's relaxed. Intimate. You're at a friend's house. She's on the couch, one leg folded beneath her. This isn't formal. It's her saying, I'm at ease. Her thighs might show. A sign of openness. But don't let it stir your mind. Epictetus said, don't be disturbed by things outside your control. Oh, see her posture. Let it pass. No need to act. What's it like to just notice? To not assume? Breathe. Fact 16. She rocks her shoe on her toe. It's subtle. Her foot slips in and out. You're at a lecture. She's sitting next to you, her shoe dangling. This is comfort, but also more. It's suggestive. Her body saying, I'm relaxed with you, but don't let it pull you into a story. Stoicism is about clarity. Notice her gesture. Let it be. No need to react. Have you noticed this before? Just let the question linger. Fact 17. She holds your gaze. Her eyelids lower slightly. It's electric. You're at a gallery opening. She's across the room, her eyes locked on yours. She doesn't look away. Not right away. This is connection. Her body saying, I see you, but don't let it spark a fantasy. Marcus Aurelius said, look at things as they are. See her gaze. Let it pass. No need to assume. What's it like to just observe? To not react? Hold that thought. Fact 18. She plucks her eyebrows. It's small, but it's there. You're at a cafe. She's talking, her fingers brushing her brow. This isn't grooming. It's vulnerability. Her body's saying, I'm open to you. It triggers something in you. A desire to protect. But don't let it stir your ego. Stoicism is about staying grounded. Notice hair gesture. Let it be. No need to act. Have you seen this before? Just let the memory float. Fact 19. She gathers her hair into a ponytail or a bun. You're at a concert. She's standing next to you, lifting her hair. Her neck is exposed. It's vulnerable. Her body's saying, I'm letting you in, but don't let it pull you into a story. Epictetus said, focus on what's in your control. Zeher gestur. Let it pass. No need to assume. What's it like to just notice? To not react? Breathe. Fact 20. She touches her neck. It's soft. Her fingers linger. You're at a dinner party. She's across the table, her hand grazing her neck. This is sensitive. Her neck is an erogenous zone. Her body saying, I'm drawn to you, but don't let it spark a reaction. Stoicism is about clarity. Notice her touch. Let it be. No need to act. Have you noticed this before? Just let the question linger. Fact 21. She turns her knees toward you. Her legs form a triangle. It's subtle. You're at a bar. She's sitting next to you. Her knees pointing your way. This is focus. Her body saying, "You're my priority." It's like a silent barrier, keeping others out. But don't let it stir your mind. Marcus Aurelius said, "Don't invent stories." See her posture. Let it pass. No need to assume. What's it like to just observe? To not react? Hold that thought. Take a moment. Feel the air around you. What's in your head? Don't fight it. Just see it. Okay, let's finish. We've walked through 21 signs. Not to change you. Not to win anyone. Just to see. Back in that quiet apartment, your mind feels different now. A little quieter. A little clearer. The world will keep moving. It's loud. It's fast. But you can choose to pause. To observe. To be still. Tomorrow, you'll see her again. Or someone new. And you'll notice. Not react. Just notice. And that's enough.